to think that we're planets in space, but sliding in circles, repeating the face. All of my friends are organs of vision. All of my friends are organs of vision, but they are just aliens confined in the case. For there are some moments for us to be close, and there are some seasons to let the sun go.
Good morning. We're about to go to the cabana. I can't find lighting though.
You have to stay over there.
Yeah, this lighting's really good.
Yeah.
How was our night, you guys?
Our night was wild. It was so much fun. I'm so glad I actually went out and experienced it because I really was tired, but I pushed through.
We were all kind of scared too, and it's not scary.
No, I drank like 3 cups of coffee when we went out, and it was not scary at all. It was actually really safe, and it was so much fun. Laura was crazy. She's dancing the whole time, loving the Cardi B, loving the Nicki Minaj, loving the vibes. It was so fun.
It's funny to be over dramatically like.
Yeah, it was honestly a lot of fun. I'm glad we went.
I think my boyfriend was
a little struggling today, aren't we?
Yeah,
especially this one. She didn't even make it to breakfast.
I didn't make it to breakfast. Every time I kept waking up to go to the bathroom, and every time I walked by the food that I ordered last night, because I ordered like 6 servings of food.
Oh yeah, oh my god.
It was like making me sick.
I don't know how you did that. I immediately got home and I was like ready to crash, and I was getting Snapchats from Laura being like, just ordered room service, like 2 of everything. I'm just
I thought Connor was gonna try to eat my food, so I made sure I ordered 2, but he was sleeping.
I get the Snapchat of the guy bringing in all that food service.
You're really matching, Jay.
Wow.
Did it come with that?
Love it, babe.
I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution.
She looked it up online and was concerned.
Laura told me last night, turn this down so you don't get copyright. This is a story you guys need to know.
Let me start off by saying I was so bored. I had to start some drama.
Laura was so bored last night that she had to come up with some crazy ass shit to stress me out. She told me, so her sister reads tarot cards, and she told me that her sister read me and said I have a black aura and that I can't handle the truth, so she won't do a reading on me. So I looked up on my phone what a black aura meant before I went to bed, and I started stressing. It said I'm about to be in emotional distress and possible paranormal causes, which I don't fuck with paranormal shit. So I went to bed last night freaking out. I was like, my future is fucked. Like, something horrible is gonna happen to me. And Laura was just happy as fuck eating her room service while I was literally stressed. I hope he finds some gold.
I do too. Girls, have you lost anything?
Did you guys?
Oh wow!
Here it is.
Wow!
Here it is.
What is it? Oh wow! It won't stop. It's a seashell?
Nah, it's this pop tab.
It's a. We're the winner chicken dinner today. Ding ding ding! We found it.
Pull tab.
Yeah, it's a plug.
My cheeks hurt. Dying. I was so hungry, no time to vlog, but we just ate. Just go for it. This is free. It's so bad. It's so bad. It's so bad.
You didn't get any?
That's all I'm doing. I refuse.
I was telling them them how bad this one was.
Well, you could have told me, not them.
I had to get the footage. It's all for the footage, honey.
I'm doing a little bit more.
I'm sure you under. Oh, wow. Unbelievable. Now we're gonna go shopping downtown. It's Gail's last night, so we're gonna get her out of here. So we're gonna have the real fun tomorrow. They're trying to get rid of me, but little do they know, this vacation is about to suck without me. She's lying. And your camera is foggy, just so you know. Now that's good quality content. Because she don't care about you guys watching. She don't care if you guys don't like the quality. She cares about the Google AdSense money. Hi, Laura's vlog. We hope you're enjoying her being fake on YouTube because she's fake. Oh my gosh, can you like keep that to yourself? I'm exposing you. Okay, toodles, bye, my arm hurts. Last night at the club, I kept doing this. I kept doing this to the crowd.
She was trying to hype everyone up last night.
And they thought I was, oh, I got a kick out of it. Look,
The amount of magnetism's perfect. She says she knows just how to cool down California for me. Text at 3 a.m. because her roommate's best in Texas.
I feel like this would be so cute in the winter. Match everything. Jake's a hater over there. He told me it's ugly. But he doesn't know fashion, so let's get back to me. Jake, I just came here for a pair of jeans.
Look at those shoes, look at those pink shoes.
Alright, vlog, which one do we like? Which one do you guys like better? Leave it in the comments below. Help Laura out. She can't decide.
I vote. This one's cute, but I vote.
I think I like the black on black.
That's so cute.
Because this looks like,
Yeah,
it
so
looks
classy.
super bougie and sleek.
That's the one.
And it's slouchy, it could go with everything.
Let
Let me see how my phone fits in there. Oh, this might be good for you guys if you're shopping.
And you could fit your vlogging camera in there too.
I should have got my other one this size. Emily's got a bag the size of her body. Alright guys, I have been the worst vlogger today. Check out my hat. Is it a vibe? But yeah, this morning we woke up at 6 o'clock. Let me find this lighting. We woke up at 6 o'clock and we went snorkeling and we went to the Cenitas. I think that's how you say it. We went to these caves and we swam around and it was really, really fun, but it was far away, so it kind of wore us out for the day. And now I'm back. Oh my gosh, this is so weird because you guys, I swear I had a dream that I was vlogging and I was in Mexico. Like, do you guys get deja vu like that? Where you're like, I swear I had this exact dream. But now we're back. Me and Emily took pictures and we went to the pool down here. I'm just not ready to go, you guys. It's too real. I don't ever want to leave. But we're going to try to figure out where we want to eat for dinner. I think we're going to try to have hibachi again because that was really good. Or we can go downtown. And yeah, we'll check in with you guys later. You don't want all this. Walking downtown. It's like the possibilities are endless. I don't know why you don't take me downtown today without you. You need Abby for that one. Girls, why your friends say hi without me? It might as well be just
Lord, it's another word. Choose another word.
I don't. We both got Kit Kat McFlurries. I had chocolate on me. How is it?
Really good.
I think it's better this time. Cheers. keep putting chocolates and flowers on our bed every night. It's cute.
Man, you said, how do I make it a bathtub? What kind of question is that?
No, how did you make it a bubble bath?
How would magic?
I asked him to fill it halfway up, and look what he did. You think we weigh like 10 pounds, we're not gonna overflow?
Yeah, just get in.
Last night, it's time to pack up. And my clothes look like a freaking grenade went off. Time to clean this shit up. It was so organized in the beginning. Now it's a big old mess. Okay. Say goodbye to the vlog.
What? Oh, we're saying bye. Goodbye. Goodbye, Mexico.
Wait. This thing on? Oh.
Yeah, it is. Don't ask your box. We just asked us. Wow, the humidity's doing you dirty, real.
Is it right? I'm done with this. We gotta throw it away.
That wasn't the sound.
I'm gonna expose you. Shut up! Don't tell anybody.
Oh, pussy.
I'm scared. Come on, Gail. Just jump on in. Dad, I'm a little scared. Let me go. Sorry, Laura. I'm taking your man.
This is me and my boyfriend. That's not Abigail.
Okay, I'm coming. Don't leave her down.
Okay, come get the bread.
I'm telling you on the bread.
Uh-oh. You get him, sis. Wow. Oh, wow.
What is it?
Oh, wow. It won't stop.
It's a seashell?
Nah, it's this pop.
It's a...
Hello, future Laura. We're just kidding. We love you. We love y'all. We would never.